Hey entrepreneurs, ready to take your e-commerce business global? Going global is a game changer, and I'm here to give you a quick roadmap to get started. First off, market research. Identify countries with a high demand for your products. Analyze your competitors, know where the opportunities lie. Next, digital presence. Build a multilingual, mobile-friendly website or list on global marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Make it easy for international customers to find you. Now, let's talk about logistics and compliance. Partner with reliable shipping providers, navigate customs, duties, and international regulations smoothly. It might sound daunting, but the right partners will make it seamless. On to marketing strategies. Leverage social media ads, email campaigns, and influencers to reach your target audience worldwide. Tailor your message to resonate with different cultures and preferences. Finally, customer trust. Highlight reviews, certifications, and hassle-free policies. Build confidence in your brand. Show your customers that you're reliable and trustworthy. With the right strategy and tools, your business can reach customers across the globe. Ready to make your mark internationally? Let's connect and discuss. Remember, the world is your marketplace. Let's make it happen.